Hare Krishna. In our last episode, I have told you about the vyuhas. You may think, how many varieties of vyuhas is there in Mahabharata? No doubt, everything is in 18. It is not. The Mahabharata lists 18 different battle formations or vyuhas, which are types of arrays used in the war. Sometimes one vyuha may have different names also. Let us see about the Krauncha vyuha, which is in heron shape. Next is Makara vyuha, which is in crocodile formation. Kurma vyuha, it is in tortoise or turtle formation. Trishula vyuha, it is used in Bahubali movie. Another name is Sarvatomukha Thanta. It is in trident formation. Chakra vyuha, it is in spinning wheel formation. We have seen this in our previous episodes. Kindly watch about it. Kamala vyuha or Padma vyuha, it is also been explained in my previous episodes. Watch and enjoy it. Kindly subscribe to my channel to keep watching continuously. Let us see Garuda vyuha or eagle. It is in the formation of eagle. Urmi vyuha. Urmi is ocean formation. Mandala vyuha, that is in galaxy formation. Vajra vyuha, it is in diamond or thunderbolt formation. Asura vyuha or demon formation. Deva vyuha, it is in divine formation. Suchi vyuha or it is in needle formation. Sringataka vyuha, which is in horned formation. Ardhachandra vyuha, it is in crescent moon formation. How to understand about these vyuhas? Let us see. A vyuha is an arrangement of the army divisions to attain a scientific objective at the end of the day's war. Every day the commander-in-chief of each army will arrange the army in a specific formation so that this army can attain the objectives of that specific day. Depending on the objective risks, threats, opportunities, the choice of vyuha was made. Please note, vyuha is not a static position. It is dynamic in nature and it continuously attacks itself to the position and situation of the war. If one of the generals dies, the vyuha is technically designed in such a way that every other general knows what restructure to be done. If one of the wing is taking huge casualties itself and save the other parts of the vyuha would restructure itself and save the formation. If goal of the vyuha is to capture a key personnel enemy, the vyuha would constantly change and adapt itself so as to assure that the target is met. The opponent will counter with their own vyuha and hence the position of the key personnel would continuously change. Hence, the vyuha of the attack army would be designed in such a way that the final objective is met through continuous restructuring, adapting, reorganizing, and reinforcing. Now, the question is how it is restructured in the middle of the war. Please note, the army is composed of soldiers from various kingdoms. Each general from a kingdom is